All right, today's lesson is going to be on Chapter 1, Section 6, Subtracting Integers. Again, one more time, integers are whole numbers and their opposites. So again, for example, -4, -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on, in both directions, those are all examples of integers. Integers are not decimals, not fractions, just whole numbers and their opposites. So we are going to learn how to subtract these things today. Really quite simple lesson today. All you need to do is change any subtraction problem that you run by and change it into an addition problem. All subtraction problems can be changed to addition problems. And we're going to use a method called leave, add, change. Leave, add, change is something that I learned in my high school years or my middle school years. And the way it works is if you take your front number, and this only works when you're dealing with a subtraction problem. So if you'd have a number minus some number, what you do is you leave the front number alone. You just leave it. Don't touch it. Leave it all by, if it's negative, it's negative. If it's positive, it's positive. Add, which means you just change the negative to an addition sign. And then whatever symbol this back number is, you change it. So if it was a positive, now it's negative. If it was a negative, now it's positive. And that's leave, add, change. Let me just do one more quick example here with you with actual numbers. Let's see, -4 minus 3. Leave the front number alone, leave it, add it. Now right now we have a positive 3. We're going to change that to a -3. Taking a step back, you can see it's -4 plus -3. Going back to Chapter 1, Section 5's tips, you are adding the same sign. So therefore, you just add the numbers together. And whatever sign is the same sign, you stick back on. Let's go through some more examples that are actually on my show here. -7 minus 4. Again, leave, add, change. Once again, we have -7 plus a -4. Same sign numbers, so you just add them, stick the same sign back on. Problem B, you can see we have an example where the back number is negative. So again, you leave the front number, you add, and then you change the sign of the back number. Taking a step back, you have quite easily 8 plus a positive 5, which is just 8 plus 5. 13. We have a example C down here. Again, one more time, leave, add, change. We have just changed this problem to an addition problem, -6 plus a positive 3. Again, back to Chapter 1, Section 5's lesson. You have different signs, a negative and a positive. So therefore, you find the difference of the numbers, 6 and 3. The difference between those is 3. And which number, or the greater number between 6 and 3 is the 6. So whatever sign the 6 has goes with our end result. So our answer is -3. So that is the lesson on Chapter 1, Section 6, Subtracting Integers. Good luck.